publishing without the fundamentals. This is huge, and it's number one. And the fundamentals come down to a few things: your topic, your cover, your title, ads, and reviews. That's it. Those are the fundamentals. We cannot screw these up. First off, your topic. You've heard me talk about this before. Your topic is everything. If you're not publishing your book in a topic that's proven with demand, that people are already making money in, you're publishing in a bad topic. And without that, no ads, no covers, no reviews, nothing is going to save you. A little later on in this video, I'm going to talk about exactly what makes a profitable topic, and I'll give you the numbers so you'll be able to go search for these topics on Amazon so you know exactly what to do to make sure you're in a profitable topic. But moving on to the cover, your cover stops your customer from scrolling. If you're not investing in a high quality cover, then the customers are going to scroll right through your cover, right past your cover, and they're going to click on somebody else's, and your book's never going to have a chance to succeed. Then it comes to the title. If your customer can't read your title and understand exactly what they're going to get from your book by the time they've read your title, guess what? They're just going to skip over your book and move on to a competitor's. Then it leaves us with reviews and ads. Without reviews, okay, without social proof, it's really hard to sell. You need social proof in order for your book to stand out. How much social proof do you need? Not a lot. It really just starts with 30 to 50 reviews. That's all it takes. Gone are the days where you need 100 reviews. And without ads, nobody's going to see your book. Amazon has something like 9 million books on Amazon, right? 9 million. How's your book going to stand out? You don't have to get in front of all 9 million, but you just have to get in front of the customers who are looking for the specific problem that your book solves. And ads are the best way to do that, and you can do them for so cheap. None of these things that we talked about are very complicated, but there is a learning curve to it. And one of the most important things that I like to teach my students is each one of these is a certain skill set that you have to learn and develop in order to find success with self-publishing. And learning how to identify profitable topics is a skill. Learning how to create or hire cover designers to create great book covers for you, that in itself is a skill. Learning how to write good titles is a skill. Learning how to run ads and learning how to get reviews, all of those are skills, which means all of you can learn those skills. And once you've learned all of those skills, great, you are now a successful publisher making money. But without learning those skills, you are always going to be stuck at making $100, $200, $300 a month. You have to take the time to learn those skills, and it's going to take time. The faster you learn those skills, all of them, the faster you're going to see success.